This video demonstrates how to perform project migration from the EK-RA6M3 to the EK-RA6M5 evaluation kit. Open a project for EK-RA6M3 board. Open the FSP configuration. Select BSP tab. Change the board to the desired EK-RA6M5 board. Select Pins tab. Change pin configuration to RA6M5 EK. Save the configuration and click Generate Project Content. Project migration to RA6M5 board is now complete. Open the project properties. Change the toolchain to the latest version. Build the project. Project is built successfully.